This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Putting in a little aerator for, this is where the fish are kept. There's just sun fishing here. Solar powered. Little pump. It's actually kind of floated up, but it's down far enough. It's just in case the power shuts off. Because most of my air comes from the water's being dropped and the water's churning like that. And there's a drop at the other end. That's where the oxygen gets in here. But this is gonna work. This is always on oxygenated, but this is just gonna help just a little bit more. And if I ever lose power, it'll be there to keep some oxygen in there. So should be good to go. This is my aquaponics garden. Those still need to be actually planted. Things are going crazy in here. Those need to be planted. There's my tomatoes. They're doing good. Already got little tomatoes on them. Still flowering. Onions need to be cut back again. Kind of let them go a bit. But we're looking good. Quails are looking good. Chickens are looking good. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.